Aveta offers its first adventure cub model in Malaysia, the Aveta Ranger Max Explorer, designed for rugged riding. In terms of appearance, the Ranger Max Explorer brings a combination of classic and modern elements, such as round LED lights, LCD meter displays, USB charging socket, skewered rims, round side mirrors, and a semi-exposed frame with a dull black finish. A small cargo rack is installed at the front of the Ranger Max Explorer as well as above the tail light. It is powered by a 127cc SOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with an air-cooled system, producing 10 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 10.5 Nm of maximum torque at 5,500 RPM, mated to a manual 4-speed transmission. The lightweight double T-bone frame ensures handling and ride stability on a wide variety of road surfaces. In addition, the Aveta Ranger Max Explorer comes with a high handlebar, 760mm seat height, front telescopic fork, twin gas shock absorbers at the rear, 180mm ground clearance and adjustable footrest position for maximum comfort. Braking at the front is done with a disc while the rear gets a mechanical drum brake. The tank capacity of 8.5 liters also contributes to a longer riding distance, with a fuel consumption rate of 2.2 liters per 100 kilometers. It weighs in at 115 kilograms.